turning on your backlight on your keyboard, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's pretty easy. There's nothing crazy going on here. The first thing to remember is that if your keyboard is a particular keyboard, meaning it has a certain button on it dedicated to the backlight of that keyboard, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you actually click on that button. But if it doesn't have it, what you want to also make sure that keyboard is configurable with Windows. If it's a Mac or a Linux keyboard, it may not be configurable, keep that in mind. But regardless, what you want to do is you want to click on the function key and the space bar at the same time. So if you go and click on the function key and the space bar at the same time, you will be able to see that essentially your keyboard will start lighting up. That is one option that you have. Another option that you have is by going into your keyboard, like I mentioned before, seeing if there is a button available there, and you might be able to just click on that button in order to actually activate the lights. Another option you have is if you do have a brightness button associated with your keyboard, what you can also do is you can try clicking on those keyboard buttons on your keyboard itself to increase the brightness from there or decrease the brightness. If there's a specific button dedicated to those keyboards, that's an option you have as well. You can also try clicking the function key while you're clicking on those buttons and see if those end up working. You can also check within your control panel or your Windows settings and seeing if there's any buttons or any placement there that will allow you to also update and change your brightness of your keyboard from there as well. So let me know if that works for you.